This is how to make a moving platform in Roblox Studios. First of all, we need a platform that we want to move. It can be anything, but make sure it's anchored. Then let's add a script inside. In the script, we're going to have two variables at the top. One for the tween, which is going to be equal to game and get the service called tween service. And the second one is going to be called run, and then you get the run service. Now we have to create the tween info, which is going to be equal to tween info dot new. The first thing inside the parentheses is going to be how long it will take for the part to get from one position to the next. I'm going to do 2. Easing style, I'm going to do linear, which is just a constant speed, but you can mess around with it and make it how you like. And next is easing direction, which I prefer in and out. Oh yeah, repeat count. To make it go infinite, you do -1, but you can make it repeat as many times as you want. Now you can choose you want it to go back to its original state, which we are going to do because we want it to move from one position and then move it back to the same position it was before. And then delay, we're not going to have a delay, but you can have one if you want. Now we're going to make the tween, which is very simple. We just do tween create. We have to put the part in the first spot in the parentheses, which is just script.parent. Now the tween info, which is just tween info. And then properties table, which is going to be a table. And in that table, we're going to do cframe is going to be equal to script.parent.cframe. And we're going to multiply that by cframe.new, and then how many studs you want it to move in any direction, really. And then you just have to do tween create and then play it. But as you can see, it doesn't really move you at all. So the way to fix that is with the run service. So we're going to call run, and then we're going to dot step rendered and connect that to a function. We're going to have a blank variable, and then we're going to have delay. Before the run, we're going to have a variable for the last position, which we're just going to set to the position it is at right now. And then we're going to have a current position. Then we're going to get the details by subtracting the current position by the last position. And last variable is the velocity, which is equal to details divided by delay time. Now we have to apply the velocity with script.parent.assemble linear velocity, which is going to be equal to the velocity, which will make it so the player moves with the part. And then we just have to make the last position equal to the current position. And if we play, and then if we stand on the part now, it will move us. There you go.